Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close year in Xero. So first, you may want to head over to Xero and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Accounting. Then next is click on Accounting Settings. Now from here, click on Financial Settings. Now for you to be able to close a year, you must set a financial year end. And to set, click on the change button or link, then choose a year and of course a month. Remember that the year and the month that you entered will serve as the date or the closing year you've set for your company. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!